Hi, I'm Miss Alex from the St. Lucie County Library System. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this bear out of things that you can find in your home. What you're going to need is something to color with. You can use crayons or markers, which is fine. But today, I'm going to use paint. I'm going to use brown and green. Okay. You're also going to need glue stick, a stapler if you have one, scissors, pencil, a ruler, a piece of light colored paper, 5 paper plates, something to put your paint in, and your paintbrushes. Okay, let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to make the main part of his body. So it's going to look like this. So that we're going to cut out a notch. And that's where his legs are going to start. Okay. We're also going to need to draw a line. So basically you want it just a little off center. Okay. Now we're going to paint. Next, we're going to color a plate for his head. There's already a circle on the bottom, so that's basically the exact size that you want for his head. So okay, so it should look like that. Now we need to let that dry before we cut it out. Ears, we're going to work on ears next. So you're going to need something to trace. Basically, it's just a circle. I'm going to use the bottom of one of these cups because it's actually the perfect size. When it dries, we're going to come back and cut it out. And next, we need to make his arms and his legs. So that's going to take almost a whole paper plate, so we need to color the whole thing brown. Okay, suspenders. He needs suspenders. So we're going to use our last plate, and we're just going to kind of color some of the area green. And we're going to come back later with a ruler and scissors and cut them out. Okay, so that looks pretty good. So here we have a body, and here we have a head. So we're going to cut out his head. See how it's going to work? Now we need ears. These are the ears we did earlier. We have 2 ears. Suspenders. So we don't want them very wide, but we want them long enough. So we're going to make them a little extra long, and then we can cut them down. We're just going to kind of eyeball it. Okay, we're going to make his arms and his legs now. Now, I think it's easier if you fold it in half first so that you can get a line down the middle. So we're going to use that line and the ruler to get a line down the center. Now we're going to make his legs and arms about 2 inches wide. So there's the 2. I'm going to mark that. Also, we want to kind of divide it in the middle. So we're going to draw a line there. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces that we're going to use. So he looks like that. Now he's missing something, isn't he? Yes, something in this area. Right, eyes. Okay, so we're gonna need our light color piece of paper. And we're gonna need a pencil. And we're gonna need something to trace with. Now his eyes are about the size of a quarter, so I'm gonna use a quarter. We're gonna trace around the quarter twice. All right. Now he also has a button. We're going to make a third one for his button. So his eyes need pupils. Okay, and this is his button. So we're going to make this a button. Okay. So that looks good, but there's still something else, right? He needs his nose and his mouth. Okay. Same color paper. I'm gonna do what I did with the ears. I'm gonna trace around the bottom of the cup. And you can draw this however you like, but the way I did it was I made a little heart, a line, and a smile, and I'm going to do that again. Okay. He's almost done, he just needs his button. A buttonhole right here because he's missing one. And that's how you make the bear.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss new stories each week.